Stepping into the world of fitness can feel overwhelming, especially if you're unsure where to begin. Whether you're trying to shed pounds, tone your body, or simply feel stronger, these workout tips for beginners at home and the gym are your new best friend. You don't need fancy equipment or a personal trainer, just commitment and the right information. For those starting out, workout tips for beginners, no equipment are a game changer. Begin with bodyweight exercises like squats, lunges, and planks. They're simple, effective, and perfect for building a solid foundation. Workout for beginners. No jumping routines are excellent if you live in an apartment or have joint concerns. These low-impact movements still burn calories and build endurance. Prefer training at the gym? Workout tips for beginners at gym include learning how to use machines safely and focusing on full-body routines. Start with light weights and prioritize form over ego. A helpful trick. Follow workout tips with dumbbells to create effective circuits at home or at the gym. If you're working out from home, try a 15-minute workout for beginners to stay consistent without overwhelming your schedule. Creators like Emmy Wong, Chloe Ting, and MadFit have beginner-friendly videos that guide you step by step. Their standing workouts for beginners are easy to follow and require no mat. Ladies, we see you. Whether your goal is to slim down, tone up, or gain strength, workout tips for women and workout tips for girls emphasize consistency and body awareness. You don't need to spend hours working out. What matters most is targeting key muscle groups with proper form. And if you're unsure where to start, workout tips at home for girls can help boost confidence before stepping into the gym. Skinny guys looking to bulk up, follow workout tips to gain muscle and incorporate protein-rich meals. Focus on compound movements like push-ups, squats, and rows. Workout tips to build muscle stress. The importance of progressive overload, so gradually increase weight and reps over time. Remember, everyone starts somewhere. Whether you're trying to lose belly fat, improve posture, or build strength, these workout tips for beginners will help you build momentum. Try setting small goals, like a 10-minute workout for beginners, and gradually increase intensity as your endurance grows. If you're short on time, use workout tips for beginners at home to create your own routine using household items. Want variety? Alternate between cardio and strength-focused days. And if you prefer structure, follow a workout for beginners with dumbbells or go for full-body sessions 3 times a week. Consistency beats intensity. Your body changes when you do the work, day by day. Keep moving, stay hydrated, and track your progress. With the right mindset and these proven workout tips, you'll be surprised how far you can go.